In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use EXIF Injector Copyright Embedder to add copyright information directly inside your image metadata. When an image is shared, downloaded, or re-uploaded, embedded metadata can help preserve important information like ownership, creator credit, usage terms, and contact details. This is useful for stock photography, professional photographers, agencies, brands, and anyone who wants clearer attribution inside their image files. First, open the Copyright Embedder tool. Upload your images by clicking Browse, or simply drag and drop them into the upload area. Batch upload is supported. Now, fill in the copyright information. Add your copyright notice, creator or author name, website, contact email, rights or license status, and usage terms. EXIF Injector writes this information into EXIF, iptc, and XMP metadata fields at the same time, including copyright, byline, creator, rights, and usage terms. If you often use the same copyright information, you can save it as a reusable rights template. This makes repeated uploads much faster. Once everything is ready, click Embed Copyright. The tool writes the metadata into your image file and downloads the updated version. The pixels are not changed. Need AI-generated titles, keywords, and descriptions too? Try the AI Injector to write copyright fields and AI-optimized iptc/XMP metadata in one batch.